we're starting up something. We're starting up something. We're starting up something. We're starting up something. Yeah, we're starting up something. We're starting up something. They say we're weak when we don't speak, but they don't see us come together. Behind closed doors, we choose love, not war. It's at our core when we come together. They will hear us loud and clear. We'll walk right through the fear, and then once we'll all appear and say, we're standing right here. Come on. Yeah, we're starting up something. We're starting up.
Today is as busy as usual. We are making a lot of wigs, HD lace closure wigs for customers. And you can see it's invisible HD lace. It's very undetectable, the lace on the skin. These wigs are the 12-inch and 14-inch can reach my shadow. The longest tips of the hair can reach to my chest. I think it's very perfect. You need to wear, especially when the summer is coming.